Hello yarn besties, I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you want to become a yarn bestie, click the subscribe button so you get access to more content and you get notified when new videos come out. And also, happy Canada Day to all of my Canadian followers and viewers out there. Today is going to be the first of many series of WIP'N It Up on Wednesdays. So I'm going to tell you, so basically I'm going to do different projects that I get inspired by or see throughout, just when I'm looking around online, or if I'm doing something, just inspiration just hits, or if the yarn muses just hit me all of a sudden and inspire me. This particular project was inspired when I was doing my Crochet Therapy Thursdays, when I was showing off the bucket hat I did. So watch that video to know what I'm talking about, but I'll recap. So I was showing the yarn that I made the hat with, and then all of a sudden I saw this very nice, pretty and cute project that I shouldn't say cute, but nice pretty scarf project that I saw on the label, and it was on the yarn that I made the hat from. So basically I am going to make that project, and then I'm going to provide weekly updates on how far along I've come, and I'll show you the finished product once it's all done. So the project I'm referring to is for the Calico Flowers crochet scarf, and I went to Yarnspiration's website and I did print the pattern for it, and so this is what the scarf is supposed to look like. But I won't be using the same yarn that they disclosed because I couldn't find it at my local Michael's. So I will be using the Caron Cotton Cakes yarn from Yarnspirations, and I am an affiliate for Yarnspirations. So if you go to my Yarnspirations affiliate site and click on it and order yarn from there, any purchases made as a result will put some commission money in my pocket, which will be used to further grow the channel. So check that out. So a little more about this yarn. This is a Caron Cotton Cakes yarn, as you can see, and this is a pretty big cake. And I'll go over some of the specs for it right now. This is a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. It's machine washable and dryable, and it's a cotton acrylic blend. And it's 8.8 ounces or 250 grams, 530 yards or 485 meters. And the colorway for this is High Tide. So I'm going to show you, there's the colorway for the yarn. There's all the specs, and there's the weight and length and the breakdown of the fiber content. So I will be using this yarn for the scarf project. And I will also be using a size I as recommended by the pattern. So I'm going to start this today and then see how far along I get, and then I'll report back next week with an update, and I'll show you how far I've come along on the project. So hopefully that'll be something y'all will enjoy, and hopefully this will also inspire you to work the same project with me, kind of like a crochet along. So hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another. Help each other out. Spread kindness. Pay it forward if possible. Love yourself, be true to yourself, and stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important. And if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button. And if you feel like buying me a cup of coffee, that'd be great. And my buy me a coffee link is in the description below. So feel free to donate whatever you feel like donating. Any proceeds that I get from that will also be used towards the channel. And it'll also be a way of showing your support for the channel and myself. On that note, take care of yourselves and each other.